Hello viewers, today I am going to reveal a very important secret of Photoshop, which is how to make color pop-up. So here we will pop up the skin color only, therefore we will use the camera raw filter. For the first we are taking a copy of this background layer and I am going to camera raw filter. And for sure I will give a gift to all of you, so please watch this video till the end. So here we can reduce the temperature a little bit around -4 and increasing the tint around +4 and increasing the exposure around +35 and increasing the contrast around 18. And here we should reduce the highlights because on the screen there is a lot of highlights, therefore I am reducing the highlights not much, around -38, and also reducing the shadows around -18. And here I am giving a little bit white and reducing the black as well around -32. Here we can increase the clarity around +3 and I'm increasing the vibrance also, which is +4 and giving the saturation around +3. Now here we are going to tone curve. On this you will have two systems, one is parametric and one is point. Here I am going to point and taking the color red, taking the channel red and making like this around input 6, input 12 and output around 255. And again I am taking the green channel and input will be little bit like 12 and output will like 255. So here I am taking another channel which is blue. So here I am going to channel RGB and taking some locks here, here and here, and I am just increasing this bottom layer, not much, as little. Here output 21. Now we have done the tone curve. Here I am going to details. On details we just will do sharpening and the amount will be around 20, and we should also reduce the noise, therefore I am giving luminance around 10. Now I am going to HSL. Here hue, saturation and luminance. From saturation option we can increase the red and as well as the orange. And also the yellows. Let me check by reducing the orange. No, we must need the orange around +10. So here I'm going on hue and giving a pinkish red. And giving a light orange and giving reddish orange, not much, little, and giving reddish yellow. Now here I am going to luminance and increasing the yellow around positive 91 and increasing the orange a little bit around positive 7 and increasing the red also. Now we can go to split toning. On split toning, this is the main thing on color pop-up, therefore please follow this very carefully. Here we can give the hue around 99 and saturation is around 10. And again on shadows portion we can give the hue around 198 and giving the saturation around 10. Now we are going to lens correction. On this image there is no need for lens correction, therefore I am going to effects. And here we can add some grain and giving the vignetting effect here. So here we are avoiding it. And let's go to calibration. On calibration there is 3 channel, which is red primary, green primary and blue primary, as well as the shadows. Now on red primary we will give it around 30 and giving the saturation around negative 15. Saturation will be the half of hue and saturation will be negative half of hue. Here the green primary and hue will be around positive 14. And saturation will be negative 7. The half of 14 is 7 and we should give the negative 7. And here the hue, we should take the hue around positive 32 and giving the saturation around negative 16. So we have done this. Let's check what was before and what is now. Just click on here. So this was before and this is now. This is much more contrasted and this has a lot of detail and it has perfect contrasted color pop-up, not only on skin but also on all areas, and it is much more better than before. Now click on OK. So let's check here. This was before and this is now. So here we can add a little bit levels. Therefore I'm taking adjustment layer, which is level, and just dragging it here. I think this is okay now. So let's check what was the initial photo and what is now. This is the initial one, and this is now. So this is all about the today's tutorial, and the special surprise is I have a gift for you, which is the preset of this camera raw filter, and you can download it from the description below. Hope you have enjoyed this tutorial, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep liking and commenting on all my videos. Thank you.